In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make scrolling credits in CapCut in a quick and easy way. This is perfect if you want to add end credits to a short film, YouTube video, school project, tribute video, or any edit where you want a clean professional finish. Scrolling credits can instantly make your video look more polished, and the best part is that CapCut makes the process simple once you know where to find the right settings. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut. Once you're inside your timeline, make sure you're working on the correct video or sequence where you want the credits to appear. Typically, scrolling credits are added near the end of a video, so you may want to scrub to the final section of your project before you begin. Next, click on Text in the left-hand menu, then choose Add Text. This will create a new text layer that you can customize for your credits. Now type out your credit list. For the most professional look, place each name, title, or role on a separate line. For example, you might add director names, camera operators, editors, special thanks, or music credits. Keeping everything on its own line makes the credits easier to read and gives the animation a more polished feel. Once your credits are typed out, you'll want to position the text below the bottom of the preview window. This is an important step because the text needs to start off-screen in order to scroll upward naturally. If you place it too high at the beginning, the animation may not look like traditional credits, so drag the text layer down until it begins just below the visible frame. After that, select the text clip on your timeline. With the text layer highlighted, go to Animation, then choose Loop. CapCut offers different animation options depending on your version, but you'll usually see something like credits or scroll up. Select the scrolling option that matches your version of CapCut. If you see credits, that's usually the best choice for a classic end roll effect. If your version uses scroll up, that works the same way and gives you that traditional upward motion. Now comes the part that controls the speed. Adjust the animation duration to change how fast or slow the credits move. If you want a smoother, slower, more cinematic look, increase the duration. If you need the credits to finish faster, shorten the duration. A longer duration usually works better for long lists of names, while a shorter duration is fine for brief credit sections. The key is to make sure the text is readable as it moves across the screen. Once you've adjusted the timing, preview the credits to make sure they scroll smoothly from bottom to top. Watch for spacing, readability, and timing. If the movement feels too fast, go back and extend the duration. If it feels too slow for your project, reduce it slightly. You can also go back and adjust the line breaks in your text if certain names need more space or better alignment. If you want to make the credits look even better, you can also adjust the font, size, color, and alignment before applying the animation. A simple white font on a dark background is usually the easiest to read, but you can customize it to match your video style. Just make sure the credits remain clear and not too crowded. And that's it. You've now made scrolling credits in CapCut. It's a simple effect, but it can make a huge difference in how professional your video looks. Whether you're making a YouTube outro, a film project, or a social media edit, this is a useful skill to have. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a like and subscribe for more CapCut editing guides, beginner tutorials, and quick how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.